In this video, we will learn all about the fault, P0002. What does it mean, symptoms, causes, and how to solve it. We also respond frequent questions related to this error. First, what does error code P0002 mean? Error code P0002 refers to a problem with the fuel control system, specifically with the fuel volume regulator circuit A. This code appears when the engine control module, ECM, detects that the fuel volume regulator signal is not within expected parameters. The fuel volume regulator is responsible for managing the amount of fuel delivered to the injectors, which directly influences the air-fuel mixture and, therefore, engine performance. A malfunction in this component can cause serious engine operating problems. What are the symptoms of a P0002 fault? Loss of power during acceleration. Difficulty starting the engine. Excessive fuel consumption. Rough or unstable idling. Engine jerking or jerking when accelerating. Cylinder misfire. Important, the solution for this DDC varies by vehicle. If you want a custom DDC repair manual for your make, model, and year, order it here. I've left the link in the description and in the pinned comment. What causes DDC code P0002? Faulty fuel volume regulator. Damaged or corroded wiring or electrical connections in the fuel regulator circuit. Faulty engine control module, ECM. Obstruction in the fuel line or fuel filter. Faulty fuel pump. What are the possible solutions for OBD2 code P0002? Check and, if necessary, replace the fuel volume regulator. Inspect and repair any problems with the regulator's wiring or electrical connections. Replace the ECM if it is faulty. Inspect and clean the fuel lines to remove any obstructions. Replace the fuel filter if it is blocked. Replace the fuel pump if it is faulty. We'll answer some frequently asked questions. Can a vehicle with a P0002 error code be driven? It is possible to drive a vehicle with a P0002 error code, but it is not recommended. Symptoms associated with this fault, such as loss of power and excessive fuel consumption, can make driving unsafe, especially in situations requiring rapid acceleration or immediate engine response. Furthermore, prolonged engine operation with an improper air-fuel mixture can cause additional damage, such as engine overheating or premature wear of critical components like the injectors or fuel pump. It is recommended that the problem be resolved as soon as possible to avoid costly damage. What sensors are related to the P0002 fault? The main sensor associated with the P0002 error code is the fuel pressure sensor, which works in conjunction with the fuel volume regulator to ensure the ECM receives adequate information about the pressure in the system. If this sensor fails, or if the regulator doesn't respond properly to signals from the ECM, this error code will be generated. Additionally, a malfunction in the mass airflow, MAF, sensor or the oxygen sensor can also indirectly influence fuel levels and the appearance of this code. How much would it cost to repair the P0002 fault? The cost of repairing the P0002 code can vary depending on the specific cause of the problem. If only the fuel volume regulator needs to be replaced, the average cost ranges from $150 to $300, depending on the vehicle model and shop fees. If the problem is related to the fuel pressure sensor, the replacement cost would be similar, between $100 and $250. If the ECM is failing and needs replacement, the cost can increase significantly, reaching $500 or more. It is important to perform an accurate diagnosis to identify the exact cause and avoid unnecessary repairs. Without further ado, I hope this video has been useful to you and you can solve your problem. See you in a next video. Bye-bye.